Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, The Hedge Trader. This is Sandeep. As I said, I'll be posting updates on Q4 results. Today, TCS have come up with the Q4 results. So just quickly look into that and let's see how TCS performed over a year. So TCS they have released a press note today giving their Q4 results. Q4 revenue around 43 crores, 43,705 crores, which is an 4% quarter on quarter growth and overall 9.5% year on year. So which is good. And operating margin they have 26%. Quarter on quarter is around 0.2% and 1.7% year on year. So they have order book, whatever the contracts they got from the new customers or existing customers, which is highest. They claim to be this is the highest TCV, is the total contract value in a quarter. So it could be 5 years contract or maybe on a 1 year contract, whatever the contract they got in this particular quarter. That revenue is around 9.2 billion, which is very good, which is they claim to be the highest ever in a particular quarter for TCS. If you look at the overall revenue for last 1 year, it's like 1,64,177 crores, uh, which is an excellent. If you look at the operating margin, so operating margin is 25.9%. So operating margin in a simple terms is nothing but whatever the how much you have earned and what are the cost you have incurred. If you say, if you have earned 100 rupees and you have spent 75 rupees in paying your rents or in employee costs, all your operations cost, if you say, if you deduct 75 rupees out of it, they have remaining 25 is your operating margin. And if you look at the net margin is nothing but whatever you paid for that particular amount, you paid taxes and all, remaining after paying taxes is your net margin, is what you put it in your pockets in simple terms. So net margin is around 20%, which is excellent. If you look at the order book value, it's like 31.6 billion. It's 17% year on year growth. It's they have given the whatever the expected results. TCS, they are up to the particular mark. And these are the annual highlights they have given for 2021. The net income is around 33,000 crores, with net margin what we have mentioned is 20.3%. And look at the employee metrics. Net addition, they've added 40,000 employees in this year. And employee headcount is now 4,88,000, close to 4.8 million. So sorry, 4,88,000. And if you look at the attrition rate, attrition rate where an employee generally move out of the company. So this is one of the major concerns for any IT company. Coming from an IT background, I know how these companies operate in retention of the employee. There's one of the key factors for IT companies to look at it. So if 7.2% is all-time low, is expected, because last year the entire corona, so people generally don't wanted to jump from one company to another company, because looking at the risk, what they have it, because that is one of the major reason. The attrition rate is very low at 7.2%. Generally people tend to move for another company for better growth and higher packages. So that did not happen last year, because they stick to the current company, looking at the risk of what corona had in the entire last year. So free cash flow is one thing. They have the cash in hand, so which is around 37,000 crores, which is as equal to net income. So they have 17% year on year growth as well. Overall 30,000 crores they have returned to shareholders through buybacks and dividends and all. So that is one good thing, so generally they do. uh, if you look at the quarter alone, they have 9,000 crores in this particular quarter, uh, Jan, February, March, which is 14.49% year on year, which compared to last year quarter. So net margin is 21%, plus 1% year on year compared to last same quarter. Now cash conversion is same as I said, that operating cash flow what is equal to 100% net income. So whatever the cash they have, this is absolutely equal to their net income. So that is a good in terms of generally 100% cash flow, which they need to put it in, if something comes up. So 19,000 employees they've added in this particular quarter. So that is, is part of this highest ever, because they claim to be this, Jan, February, March, they have added highest employees, around almost 20,000. So good thing. They have proposed dividend of 15 rupees, that's 1500% on a share face value. So net they've came up with good results. As expected, TCS has to give. There's a number one company in IT sector, so these results are bound to expect from them. They have given this particular results, and if you look at the graph, today what had happened is very bad. The market fell almost like 500 points. Because of that, we see a lot of downtrend here. But if you see, this is the highest in somewhere around mid February, the 3,341. Again it tried in somewhere around March 9th 10th, it's try to catch up the same range, but it couldn't cross that. And today's downfall, it corrected almost, and tomorrow we might see good results. Even good results can sometimes go negative side, and the market is also on negative side, so we might see further more downtrend probably. If it corrected, maybe this is a support 3145, because this is where it almost like supported couple of times in 15 minutes graph. So we might take support here and go reverse to the highest level. So right now graphs looks not much because of bearish mode in the market. Let's see how tomorrow sees the movement, and accordingly the TCS might result out in the upward trend. Hope you have liked the video, and please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it, and hit the bell icon as well to get personal notifications. And I'll come up with another video if some results comes up. So till then, take care. uh, I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.